Hey everyone. If you're ready to get your website online with super fast web hosting, the perfect starting point for personal blogs, small businesses, or a portfolio site that needs a huge boost in performance, you've got to follow this closely right now to snag the absolute maximum Black Friday discount. You need to click the Hostinger coupon link in the video description, like, right now. That single click is the key to unlocking not just the massive Black Friday sale, but an extra 20% referral discount that stacks perfectly on top of the main promotion. No code typing is needed, it applies completely automatically. Once you click that link, you land on the Hostinger page. Look up at the top menu and hit that Services tab. From the drop-down, select Web Hosting. This zips you directly to the Web Hosting section, where you'll immediately see the huge Black Friday sale blazing bright. Now, among the plan options, we're zeroing in on the most popular plan, the Premium Web Hosting plan. This plan gives you serious power. You can host up to 100 websites, you get a ton of SSD storage, and a free domain for the first year, making it the perfect choice for nearly everyone. It's currently discounted to around 139 rupees per month. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button for that one. You'll be on the order summary page. Quick heads up, web hosting renewals don't get the same massive discount, so the most important move here is to choose the longest available billing period, which is 48 months, to lock in this super low price for 4 full years. This is how you maximize your total savings and get the most insane value. Now, check out your order summary. You'll see the massive Black Friday discount already applied, and right there, you'll also see that incredible 3 months extra hosting added completely free. Plus, there's a line for the referral discount, 20%. That's the sweet extra 20% you got just by clicking my special link. When you look at the total saving over those 4 years, you'll see you've instantly saved a truly massive amount, and that extra 20% referral discount alone is saving you around 1,300 rupees. Don't forget, you also score a free domain for the first year, which is another huge bonus. Click Continue to move to the final checkout page. Enter your details, set a strong password, and complete the payment. That's it. You've successfully claimed the maximum discount on the powerful web hosting plan during the Black Friday sale, grabbing your extra 20% off, securing your free domain for the first year, and getting those 3 months free. Go enjoy the speed and seamless performance of your new web hosting. Bye.